My everyday makeup routine. Here it is. My eyebrows are freshly tinted today, which makes my brows super easy, but I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in medium brown. Lancome Tinty Doll Ultra Wear All Over Concealer in the shade Bisque, I think. Foundation, I've been using the Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Naturally Luminous Longwear Foundation. Obsessed. Obsessed. I love her. Oh, and this is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection. I'll link it for you. I'll link it for you. For concealer, I have the Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. I'm in the color 16Y. And then I'm using this Rare Beauty concealer brush. My battery died, but Ilia Skin Rewind Complexion Stick in the color 35W Acacia. I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is such a good product. Such a good product. Especially if you like to wear a bronzer on its own. Like, that's so fire. I'll have all these products linked for you guys, by the way. And I'm using the Jones Road Beauty Everything brush. I'm gonna use this NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush in the color Aragon. So good. This is another fire product. And this is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Cream Brush. I usually take whatever's left over on my nose and like a little bit on my forehead, just kind of get the colors everywhere, make it cohesive, you know what I mean? Givenchy Prisme powder, of course. This is in the color Popaline Mimosa. I cover up like the darkest color on here with a piece of tape so I can just get the other three colors, because that way it's my perfect shade. Real Techniques brush, I forget the name, I'll link it. I use the tiniest amount when I'm setting my under eye. I find that keeps my under eye from creasing a lot. And then we look like this. Once I'm set, then I bake, but not before I'm set. Oops, I forgot to contour my nose. I guess we're just not gonna do that today. That's fine. Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. A cult fave. Attempting to focus it on length of my lashes, like the ends. Hello. I heard a new trick recently. Instead of using soap and water on a Q-tip, you just let the mascara dry completely and then you wipe it off with a Q-tip. I'm gonna wait and do that then. I just didn't want you to think we forgot about it. Okay. This lip combo never fails me. This is like my go-to no matter what. Like Deserted Island lip combo. This is it. It's Lawless, Forget the Filler, Definer Liner, and Nude Honey. Yes, and we have a fresh tube of my favorite lip gloss. Oh my god. This is Lawless, Forget the Filler lip gloss in the color Velvet. It is the perfect pinky nude. Oh my god, just look. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh, it does come right off. This ColourPop highlighter absolutely smacks. This is in the color Immediately Yes. It's their dewy liquid highlighter. So good. I think it's like $10. I'm gonna try applying this with my finger because every time I use a brush, it just looks crazy. Oh yeah, that's so much better. There you have it, my everyday makeup routine. The hair is sending me. I have to get ready. Okay, goodbye.
Feels like daydreaming, 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너와 더 two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께했던 너